Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Now, this week I've been playing with the Boho Indigo Medley. This was the first card I made, and this is the second card. And this was using one sheet of the DSP, and left over from that one sheet, we have this bit. So I'm going to make my third card using the one sheet of 6x6 using that one. Okay, I've got a playlist with Boho Indigo Medley, and if you click on that, this is the first card I made, and I go through everything that's in the medley in that one, so I didn't want to do it again. So what I've decided for this one is to use extra thick Very Vanilla, and I am going to cut a strip of Night of Navy using the lovely ornate layers, and I've picked out this die. I really like it. I really like the way it fits on a card, and just to be quick, I've already cut it out, and I've just seen that I missed one of the little circles there. No, it's still not come out. There we go. So what I need to do is trim this down to go and layer inside here. So I want it to go on the inside of the stitching, so I'm going to cut it down to 2 1/16. Yeah, 2 1/16, and then that way I'm going to go to 5 1/16, I think. 2 1/16, 5 1/16. It might actually be, oh no, I can. So we'll go 5 1/16 there, which is just under 13 centimetres actually. Not that I do centimetres. And 2 1/16, which is just there. So I'm taking the smallest sliver off that one, and hopefully I've measured correctly. So let's just check. Yeah, that goes in there quite nicely. She says, without glasses, that looks like that fits nicely. There we go. So I've still got, I think I'll throw that, but I've still got a couple of little strips left, which I'll keep, because you never know. You actually never know. So let's get these two stuck together. I'm going to use Tombow, so I've got a bit of liquid wigglage. I could use that side, but I'm sticking to the same side because I want to show it as useful for mail cards. So got me wigglage, which you need for this bit. I haven't got my glasses, which might be useful, but hey ho, I haven't got them, and that will do. So there we go. So that will be stuck on there like so. I'm taking one of the die cuts. I'm going to take this square one, I think, and I'm using the Sorry You're Feeling Blue, and I'm going to be sending this to somebody who's been feeling a little bit down. So just realised I didn't want to stick that down. Can I rescue? No. Okay, I wanted to put ribbon under that. I'll have to wrap it around the whole lot. Oh dear. It's because I just went to got this and I saw my ribbon and went, I wanted to do that. Where's me? Tap, tap. I'm tapping because I want my stamp mat. There. Moved it back onto my desk after the last video. There we go. Let's put that straight. straight. There we go. Liking that. Well, I'm not liking the fact that I'm sending this to somebody who's feeling blue, but I'm liking the fact that I think I got that pretty well central. So that's going to go under there. And my idea was I was going to use this ribbon behind it. But I've stuck the DSP down like an umpty. So I could wrap it round the whole of this, couldn't I? Well, I've got no option than to wrap it round the whole of that now. Because I stuck it down. And I thought I'd put that behind and that on top. And I did have an idea of adding the gold with it. And I have this gold ribbon that's just unraveling, and layer that up because it does layer nicely on it, and then that brings the gold. So it's either like that, I could do just the gold, don't like that. That's, well, that was quickly decided, wasn't it? Or just that. I think I'm going with the gold. I did tie a ribbon, a bow, but I don't think it needs a bow. So cut a bit of this off there. And that needs to layer up together. So I do have a nice thin tape when I want to do things like this. It's not Stampin' Up, but I think tear and tape's a bit too wide. So, oh. I need about 65 million fingers for this. There we go. Drop that down, and so now I need to get my bone folder, give it a good press. I do use fabric glue as well. In my junk journals, I use fabric glue, which would work in this instance. And I do prefer fabric glue, to be fair. Don't know why I didn't think of that. Just thought of it now. It's only because it's quite new to my stash, fabric glue. So stick that down. There we go. Super. And then we want to stick that, which actually in hindsight, it was probably a good idea I didn't put under the DSP, because that is quite a thick ribbon. So I do actually think it's better without. So we need to stick it down. I like to use, for quickness and fast fuse, we've got Stampin' Seal Plus now, which is a good substitute for this. But I got shed loads. Still got shed loads of this. So 1, 2, 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5 back there. That is about right. So Let's get this stuck on. Let's get this ribbon out of the way. It's all unruly. So stick this down. So I'm going to stick it towards the bottom. So that's going to go on top on dimensionals, I think, but we need some glue dots to hold this in place, and I'm going to put them underneath where that's going to be adhered. So I put a couple, so get one under there. That seemed to flick somewhere, I don't know where that's gone. But it's gone. Oh, it's there. I might stick one up there. It's quite thick, so you won't actually notice it. There we go. That's that stuck in place. And then we just need to stick this on top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put top and bottom, I think, so that it straddles the bit of ribbon. So I'm going to use this stuff for this. So I'm going to cut a nice thin strip. Sometimes use the edges of the dimensionals for this. I'm going to use this, so I'm going to stick that bit close to the edge. And then close to the edge at the bottom. And then that will go either side then of that ribbon. Quite nicely. Works a treat. So just take those top bits off. There we have it. Sorry you're feeling blue. Nice little simple quick card. So that is 3 cards from one sheet of 6x6, all very different, all using that Medley. And I've still got a few little scraps of the DSP left, which I now can't see, but anyway, they're there, but I'm not going to use them for now. Okay, and I think you can agree that certainly these two could be masculine cards as well. So hope you like that. All details over my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and there'll be links to my shop down below if you wish to purchase anything that I've used in making these cards. And check out the playlist if you missed the other 2 cards, and I'll be bringing you more projects using this beautiful Medley. Okay, see you again soon. Bye bye.